Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, today I'm going to talk about nasal polyps. And I'm sure you know what nasal polyps are, but still, if you ask me the definition of it, a nasal polyp is a pedunculated swelling of the nasal mucosa and the sinuses. Now, to show you through an example, a normal nasal polyp is a pedunculated swelling. Now, peduncle, what do you understand by peduncle? A peduncle is a pedicle, and just to show you an example, I've got this partially inflated balloon, and you may be able to understand through this balloon what I'm trying to tell you. Now, I'm not telling you that a normal nasal polyp looks like green colored balloon, but since that was the only thing I could get my hands on at the present time, so just forget about its color. Normal nasal polyps are usually pale in color. They're neither red, nor green, nor blue. They're just pale color or grayish in color. So imagine this partially inflated balloon as a nasal polyp, which is a swelling with a pedicle. Do you see it? This, if you imagine as a pedicle, this is the body of the polyp, okay? So let's just go ahead with further classification of nasal polyps.